Cars Drive Sphere brings you an in-depth look at the 2025 BYD Sealion 7, a cutting-edge electric SUV designed to compete with the best in the EV market. With a futuristic design and advanced technology, this vehicle offers a blend of performance, efficiency, and innovation that sets it apart. The Sealion 7 boasts a sleek aerodynamic body with sharp LED lighting, a bold front grille, and a sculpted profile that enhances its modern appeal. Its spacious cabin is packed with premium materials, a minimalist dashboard, and a large infotainment screen powered by BYD's latest software. The AI-integrated system ensures seamless connectivity, voice commands, and smart features for an enhanced driving experience. Under the hood, the BYD Sealion 7 is equipped with an advanced electric powertrain available in multiple configurations. The dual-motor all-wheel drive variant delivers impressive acceleration, making it ideal for those who crave power and performance. The battery pack provides a substantial driving range, ensuring long journeys without frequent charging stops. With fast charging capabilities, the vehicle can regain a significant percentage of its charge within minutes, making it highly convenient for daily use and road trips. Safety is a priority in the Sealion 7, with a suite of driver assist technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features enhance driving confidence and provide an added layer of security for both the driver and passengers. Performance-wise, the suspension system is finely tuned to offer a balance between comfort and agility, making city commutes and highway drives equally smooth. The precise steering and responsive handling ensure a dynamic driving experience, while the regenerative braking system improves energy efficiency. With a focus on sustainability, BYD has used eco-friendly materials in the cabin and integrated energy-efficient components to reduce the vehicle's carbon footprint. The Sealion 7 stands out as an environmentally conscious choice without compromising on luxury and performance. The 2025 BYD Sealion 7 is a game-changer in the electric SUV segment, combining technology, safety, and innovation to meet the demands of modern drivers. Whether you seek performance, range, or advanced features, this SUV delivers on all fronts. For more detailed automotive reviews and the latest car updates, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for upcoming content.